Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best $100 drone you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial shots without breaking the bank. Intrigued? You're in the right place. Welcome to our channel, where today we're unveiling the top 5 best drones under $100, affordable gems that deliver impressive performance without emptying your wallet. Whether you're a budding aerial photographer or just looking for some high-flying fun, these budget-friendly drones offer a perfect blend of quality and value. Before we dive in, a quick note: you can find links to all the drones mentioned in the description below. If any of these catch your eye, feel free to check them out and support our channel. Now, let's embark on this exciting journey into the world of affordable drones. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best $100 drone. Let's begin. On number 5 is TizzyToy 40 minutes battery life 360-degree flip. Imagine capturing breathtaking 4K aerial footage without breaking the bank. Enter the TizzyToy brushless motor drone, a game-changer in the realm of affordable drones. Priced at just $59.49, this foldable marvel offers a remarkable 40-minute flight time, thanks to its two 1,600 mAh batteries. The 120 degrees manually adjustable 4K FPV camera ensures you capture expansive views with stunning clarity. Its brushless motors provide enhanced speed and stability, while the altitude hold and optical flow positioning keep your flight smooth and steady. Features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and 360 degrees flips add a fun twist to your flying experience. Plus, the included carrying case makes it a perfect companion for on-the-go adventures. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the TizzyToy drone stands out as a top contender among the best drones under $100. On number 4 is SIMREX Waypoint Fly 3D Flip. Ever wondered if a budget-friendly drone can deliver impressive performance? The SIMREX X800 Mini drone, priced at just $42.49, challenges expectations. Weighing a mere 96 g, its foldable design ensures portability, making it a strong contender among the top 5 best drones under $100. The 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens captures clear aerial shots, enhanced by RGB lights for nighttime flights. Features like altitude hold and optical flow positioning provide stable hovering, ideal for beginners. With one key starter landing and 360 degrees flips, it offers both ease and excitement. The package includes two 1,000 mAh batteries, totaling up to 22 minutes of flight time. While it excels in user-friendliness and portability, the lightweight build may be sensitive to strong winds. Overall, the SIMREX X800 offers remarkable value for its price point. On number 3 is TOPUAV Mini with 2 batteries. Looking for a drone that combines affordability with impressive features? The TOPUAV Mini, priced at just $70, offers exceptional value for money. Weighing under 250 g, it boasts GPS-assisted flight, ensuring automatic return home during signal loss or low battery, eliminating the stress of potential loss. Its 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens captures clear aerial footage, while the inclusion of 2 batteries extends flight time to approximately 40 minutes. The foldable design enhances portability, making it a top contender among the best drones under $100. However, it's worth noting that advanced features like obstacle avoidance are absent, so flying in open areas is recommended. Overall, the TOPUAV Mini provides a balanced mix of functionality and affordability, making it a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. On number 2 is Holystone HS110D FPV-RC. Looking for an affordable drone that delivers impressive features? The Holystone HS110D FPV-RC drone might just be what you need. Priced around $89.97, this drone offers a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees field of view, allowing you to capture clear, wide-angle images and videos. Its altitude hold function ensures stable hovering, making it user-friendly for beginners. The headless mode simplifies navigation, while the 3D flip feature adds a fun element to your flights. With 2 batteries providing approximately 20 minutes of flight time, you'll have ample opportunity to explore the skies. However, be mindful that its lightweight design may lead to drifting in windy conditions. Overall, the Holystone HS110D offers a solid balance of performance and affordability, making it a great choice for those seeking one of the top drones under $100. Now moving to the last one is SYMA Toys Gifts. Looking for an affordable drone that delivers impressive features? The SYMA X20 Mini drone is a standout choice among the top 5 best drones under $100. This compact drone boasts user-friendly controls, making it ideal for beginners and kids. Features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff or landing, and headless mode enhance its ease of use. Its 360-degree stunt flip capability adds a fun twist to your flying experience. Priced around $30, it's a steal for those seeking quality without breaking the bank. However, some users have noted that battery life is around 10 minutes and it may drift in windy conditions. Overall, the SYMA X20 offers great value, combining affordability with a range of features found in higher-end models. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best $100 drone. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.